So normally, if we talk about FOCUS-1 with customers, we get some questions, which I want to raise here, because this is a challenge I think all of our customers had, or the questions they had when they install FOCUS-1. Hey, it's a single source. It's one device. Is there no redundancy? Can I exchange things? How do I maintain it? And I want to address this because I think it's important, because this is something we already fixed 5 years ago. Because when we made this product, we made sure that we talk with the industry and we built something within their expectations. And then I want to highlight the digital twin, because the digital twin is a really strong feature inside of our device, a model-based solution inside of the computer that is taking some decisions to make sure that your process keeps running. And what it will do, it will use the data of all the sensors inside of the device, and it will use that data to compensate if there is any failure on the measurement. For example, if you see on the picture next to me, if the flow meter fails, then we can still do a flow calculation based on P1, P2, and the opening of the valve. And this will, at the end, compensate the value and also bring that in the dashboard as compensation, but also as output to your DCS. It will tell you as an alarm, hey, my flow meter failed, but my digital twin took over. And this is a really strong feature because now you save yourself time. Thomas, which I was talking about before, saves himself time. He needs to have that flow data and he needs to have control. So with this feature, the device can just continue to control. It will continue to give measurement data. And then when you have a stop, when you have time to exchange it, you can just exchange it during a stop instead of having to do that right away ad hoc. So this is a feature we want to do that. And then we also are going to the next slide where I step a little bit to the side, else I block the information on this side, where you can see that we integrated a service dashboard that makes it possible to do small maintenance work, like doing a calibration of your PNT sensors, doing a zero calibration of your ultrasonic flow meter, just to make sure that you every time level it to that zero and make sure you have the right measurements. Also, if you look at that side, you can see that we integrated all the components in such a way that you can exchange them. So it's a modular setup that makes it possible, for example, to take out the positioner if it's broken in 10 years or maybe later in the future, you can take it out, exchange it for the same positioner that Samsung is running so that we have a standardized solution also. So we made videos how to do that. And that's also very helpful if you need to do maintenance or your colleagues need to do maintenance on FOCUS-1.